and welcome to 16th edition Engimic 2023. I would like you to meet Director of GBD Machinery. Hello sir, welcome
Hello.
to Machine Maker. Sir, I would like to ask you about and have a great introduction of GBD Machinery and you as a Director of GBD Machinery, sir.
So I am myself Vilpes. My company is like GBD Machinery. We are basically dealing with Citizen and Brother machines. We are the dealer for that company. And we also have our own manufacturing company where we are using this Brother and Citizen machines, which are basically Japanese machines. And we are manufacturing mainly aerospace and medical parts.
How Velcro is associated with GBD Machinery and you, sir?
For Velcro, it's like in 98, when I was just finishing my colleges, I came to know about the Velcro. In Velcro, there was one employee of Velcro, he's my friend. He told me about how Velcro is growing, how they are working, how their owner is helping out. They are like a family kind of company. At that time, I heard about it. And after I started my business, I directly come in contact with Mr. Satish sir. My business was not a very big business with Satish bhai, but the guidance he given us, the help they gave us, very like in each and every part because we are making very small components. So Satish bhai help us out in all the way. He doesn't consider us as a small company or a big company. He just considers us as a good customer. For me, Satish bhai is my mentor. So I consider him as my mentor.
Definitely a mentor or a family or
Yeah,
a family
definitely,
relationship
definitely.
between Velcro and GBD Machinery.
Definitely. Actually, like yesterday, like before 2 days, I just saw Satish bhai and I just come to meet him and just come to meet him and say that you are just my mentor, just to say that like that.
Definitely.
इनकी एक ऐसी पर्सनालिटी है, थोड़ा जेंटलमैन, कोई चीज़ छुपाते नहीं है, जो भी बात है ना दिल से दिल खोल के काम करते हैं। तो इनके साथ काम करने का भी मज़ा आया मेरे को। मैं अभी 20 साल के बाद हम लोग मिल रहे हैं। कि बहुत ही अच्छी उदारता है कस्टमर्स के साथ में, सप्लायर के साथ में। तो देखो आज उनका भी ग्रो हुआ है, हमारा भी ग्रो हुआ है। और वेलग्रो का एक ऐसा उन्होंने बताया कि वेलग्रो से मुझे बेनिफिट हुआ है, तो लेकिन वेलग्रो का मीनिंग क्या है? वी ऑल ग्रो, हम सब साथ में ग्रो करें, ऐसा वेलग्रो का एक थीम है। और इस तरह से हम लोग हमेशा आगे बढ़ते रहेंगे।
तो टैगलाइन ने आपकी रिलेशनशिप को ऐसे ही इतने सालों तक मेंटेन करके रखा है। व्हाट आर द सेल्स एंड सर्विसेज एंड व्हाट इज द मेन यूएसपी ऑफ वेलग्रो जिससे आप इतने अच्छे रिलेशंस आपके वेलग्रो?
Velcro is like every time they eager to work with the customer. Like every time, see, my components are not so easy components.
Yes.
My components are mainly medical and aerospace components. Every time we have new challenges, like micro components, small hole components. It's like we need to clear out this debug from the very inside, like outer surface, because medical is like very unique business where we doesn't need surface to be rusty or many things. So he's always helping out with his innovative ideas, with chemical compositions. He also do R&D, that what type of material is suitable for medical components. Like if this component is going inside the body, so that should not be rusted. So he's taking that kind of innovation and he's always giving us that support.
And the tagline always say that we all grow and here are the best relation with the customers of Velcro. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.